Hi, my name's Mark, and this is the love of my life, Aja. After retiring from the Army in 2018, my family and I moved from the States to my wife's hometown of Szczecin, Poland. She followed me around for 18 years, so now it's only fair that I do the same for her. She runs a Polish cooking food channel and blog, and I lift the heavy things. Once in a while, she shuts down the kitchen, and we explore Poland together to find as much good food as we can. Welcome to Kitchens Closed.
Hi friends.
Hey, how's it going?
It's been a while.
It's been a hot minute, yeah.
It's been so long my hair grew.
I think it was August, wasn't it, the last time
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Life happens.
We
So, yeah.
Start with the so.
So,
We went to Wisconsin.
yeah. So this is what we've been doing since August, since you haven't seen us. We've had a lot going on. Some of it really awesome, some of it kind of meh. So we've been dealing with some things. So first of all, we went to Wisconsin to see our family and friends for a month.
Which was a normal planned event.
Yeah.
Our normal summer vacation.
What was that, July, right?
July.
Yeah.
We shot enough videos to cover us through the period that we were on vacation up until we returned back to Poland, and the plan was that we get back here and we tour Poland to shoot more videos.
Grand tour
Thing, if you will.
But it didn't happen.
It didn't happen. So we flew back to Warsaw, and because of jet lag, we decided to spend the night at the hotel by the airport.
Yep.
We were all jet lagged, woke up at 2 a.m.
Yep.
the next morning and
I
decided
forgot about that.
we decided to go home. So we drove home through the night pretty much and got home early in the morning at 8 or so to Szczecin.
Yep.
To where my mom was to welcome us home.
Yep. Big hugs, big kisses.
Yep. Next morning was a Sunday. Mark woke up feeling a little off. A little scratchy on the
throat, a cough.
And as the evening progressed, it was getting worse and worse.
Yeah.
And it just happened that we had some COVID tests at home, so I'm like, why don't you just let me take you a test and just to double check.
So then we got COVID. Sure all of us. This time we got Hannah too, and her ma. The big hugs and kisses that got her. But there was one champion in this whole thing. That was Hannah's boyfriend. His name's Peter. The second we got out of the car, they hadn't seen each other in a month. They were just sucking face, basically spitting down each other's mouths. And he didn't get it. He didn't get it. I don't know how he didn't get it, but we just went near your mom, and she got it.
Yep. So then we were pretty much down for pretty much 2 weeks.
2 weeks at least. Yeah.
And then after that, we did another test. When the test came negative, one of our friends' birthday came up, and she invited us to her birthday. We got all dressed up. We went out. We sat outside till probably 1 or 2 a.m. and I got cold. And cold. Well, no, I got cold sitting outside.
You got a cold, yeah.
And then the next morning, I woke up with a cold.
Cold.
So that took me out of the system for another 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, yeah, 2 weeks, because it really, you were feeling like crap still. Like, we weren't 100% when we went out. We shouldn't have gone out.
Yep. So that took us through August.
So in between all that, we were tired of shipping books and working out of our home because it was packed to the brim with packing supplies, books and everything else,
packages and strangers coming to our house to work.
Yeah, because we needed help. We could no longer, if we wanted to ship this book and do all the things that we wanted to do for PYK and for guys like you who watch us, we weren't able to do it properly. So we decided to hire someone.
So business, as we're expanding our business.
As we are expanding our business, we hired someone and we got an office. Now this office was in a very cool building down by the river in an up-and-coming area that's going to be rejuvenated.
Yep.
And it's really awesome. Big brick building. Here's some pictures of it. Things like that. Well, we moved in. We cleaned up the place. I was replacing plumbing in the faucets. We painted. We moved everything in. And
The next week, so
Yeah.
we were there a week cleaning. Next following week, our employees started on Monday. On Wednesday, the building manager came in and said, "I'm sorry." He had tears in his eyes. "I'm sorry, but you have to vacate the building." There's some inspectors that came in and said that the roof is collapsing and we have to leave.
it's condemned.
It's condemned.
So then we had to find a new place for PYK to live. So then we did. So then we found another place, and we moved into that place, and as soon as we moved into that place, our employee quit. We don't know why. We're good people. We treated her well. She said it for personal reasons. So
Which is okay.
That's fine. That's
you
fine.
know.
That's fine. So now that means that we're back to working on our own, and travel has to slow down. So,
Just as we were just
just
getting
as
started.
we were getting started, and we're not complaining.
No,
we're
no,
not.
no.
We're very lucky to be doing what we're doing. We do work hard for it. But we're very lucky.
This is the plan. We are in a new office.
Yep.
We're organized. We have our desks in there. We are recruiting new staff.
Yep.
We're hoping to.
Well, staff, one person.
Well, yeah. Then they are staff.
Oh. I thought staff was plural.
We have a couple of people that are kind of promising that we're excited about. So we're hoping to have that taken care of pretty soon. We are going to continue promoting Polish cooking and try to travel around a little bit. We are actually in Gdańsk today.
We are in Gdańsk filming to show you guys what Gdańsk looks like.
So you can expect a video pretty soon, and I would really like to come and cook in our kitchenette again. So to kick that off, you're going to be seeing if you don't know about it already, on 8 October, we're going to be doing a cook-along where Mark is going to point the camera at me
I am.
for a few hours, 2 or 3 hours, depending on how long it takes, and we're going to cook 2 different kinds of pierogi, and we're going to cook, most likely looks like we're going to cook an apple cake. So if you'd like to sign up for that, you can go to my website, portiakitchen.com, and subscribe to my website, which means you put your email in the box where it says subscribe, and you'll get the information about how to watch, and if you'd like to cook along or just watch and prepare it later.
And it's completely free.
You're welcome.
Doesn't cost you anything.
We're also going to be getting some gift boxes ready for Christmas.
Yep.
So make sure to tune in, subscribe.
Follow, like, subscribe.
Yeah, so you know when all the things are happening.
Yep.
And we hope to be around a little bit more often now.
Yes, hopefully. Now remember, also Christmas is around the corner, so if you have ordered a book before, she has a cookbook, and you want one to give as a gift, please remember to order early. Shipping is slow nowadays. Or if you've been waiting to give this gift to your lovely wife or husband,
Well, hang on.
Oh.
Shipping is slow compared to one-day shipping. But
Yes.
shipping to USA is normally 8 to 14 days or so. 4 days on a good day. It happened.
it did?
Yeah.
No kidding. Wow.
So just give yourself a little bit extra time. If you're in Canada, that's a little bit more challenging. And if you're Australia, that's not happening right now.
It's not happening
at
anymore.
all.
No, Australia gave up.
Yeah, Australia said nothing until after Christmas.
Yep.
So that's the update.
Yeah.
We
So
hope that you come back again in the next couple of weeks.
they keep saying so.
So,
I can't help it.
and see a little bit more of us. And we're sorry we've been gone for this long.
Yeah, sorry about that. But we're back. But we don't guarantee regulars because we're very flaky.
Sorry.
So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Do widzenia.